Hello everybody, welcome to Sure Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video I want to share with you our affordable 1.25" tungsten weights. We offer them in black and in silver, ranging from sizes of 1 ounce all the way up to 16 ounces. Yes, 1 pound of solid tungsten. These weights are going to save you a lot of money, and they're going to save you a lot of space because tungsten takes up half the amount of space that stainless steel does. So you can stack a lot more of these weights onto your riser, onto your stabilizers, anywhere you want them. If you can fit them, you can stack them, and you can save a ton of money by picking up Sure Shot Archery tungsten weights at sureshotarchery.com. As for threading, our weights are threaded in 5/16 by 24. We do sell adapters. If you happen to have a stabilizer that's threaded in 1/4-20, you can have an adapter that sizes up from 1/4-20 to 5/16, so you can use our affordable tungsten weights with your stabilizer without having to buy a whole brand new stabilizer. Those are also available on our website, as well as threaded rods, which you can use to connect all of your weights together if you want to stack up a whole bunch of different sized Sure Shot Archery tungsten weights. Now, for the sizes, we don't go from 1 all the way up to 16. We go 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce, 4 ounce, 8 ounce, and then 10 ounce, and then 16 ounce. So there's a little bit of a jump there, but it gives you a pretty good flexibility in picking what you want. So maybe you're running 18 ounces already in stainless steel on your bow. You can pick up a 16, and then you can pick up a 2 ounce. That way you don't have to play the game of trying to connect all these 4 ounces together in order to get the weight you want on your bow. You can just pick up a 16 and then a 2 ounce or 2 1 ounces, and kind of customize your setup that way without having to thread a ton of weights together. That's why the 16 ounce comes in so handy. Other than that, I just wanted to get the word out there that these weights are available at sureshotarchery.com. They've been really well received by the compound community, the recurve community, that includes Olympic recurve, and the Barebow community, because 16 ounces, this compact is really nice for your Barebow, or for those compound shooters out there that are running 2 pounds up front and 3 pounds out the back. You want to condense that as much as possible, because there's a lot of stainless steel going on there, and this is just going to make your life a whole lot easier. With that, thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out our website for pricing, and hope to see you soon on the archery range. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy shooting.